Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to discuss how to determine the variability in math. Now, when it comes to the variability in math, we're actually talking about how spread out, and I'll use that in quotes, a group of scores or data is. So variability refers to how spread out your numbers are. And there's actually a few definitions to want to consider here, or concepts. One is, the simple one is range. Range is a good way to figure out how spread out your numbers are, and range is the highest number that you have minus the lowest value that you have. Now, range is common, but to kind of get a true idea as to how spread out things are, you want to look at a couple of other concepts known as variance and standard deviation. Now, by definition, the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Now, the symbols associated with this is standard deviation oftentimes is denoted by sigma, and variance is going to be sigma squared. Now, it's actually a 4 or 5 step process associated with this depending on how much you want to bundle the steps together, but basically it involves finding the mean, taking every number, subtracting from the mean, squaring it, dividing by n minus 1. But it's kind of a tedious process, but it's actually a very easy computational way to do things. But the determine variability in math, you generally want to find range, variance, and once you find the variance, you can find standard deviation very easily. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's a brief overview as to how to determine variability in math.